Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special request. So my channel is, as you know, all about getting people into the industry. But I want to be very specific that that's not only people who are looking right this second to get into the industry. I'm also excited about getting kids interested in the industry. So this is a special video. This was a request by my nephew, Simon. This one's for you, buddy. He wanted a video of a concrete truck, and I'm gonna do him one better. I'm going to get a concrete truck, but I'm also going to get a concrete pumper truck. And so today, we're gonna look inside, hopefully, if I can play my cards right, we're gonna look inside a concrete truck, and we're gonna get a good idea of how this truck right here works. He's gonna roll up, we're gonna pour some walls over there, and hopefully get you guys, and especially Simon, some good shots. So we'll catch you here in a minute.